About a month ago, I needed to replace my mechanical keyboard. Now, instead of spending £100+ on another expensive keyboard, I decided to look at the budget end of the market and see what I could find. And that's where I came across the Eagletec KG010, and my life changed forever. A little dramatic, but you get the gist. Hi and welcome to DadBod Gaming, and this is my review of the KG010 mechanical keyboard by Eagletec. So, disclaimer time, I'm not associated with Eagletec and I haven't been paid for this review. Feel free. Seriously, no, I'm just doing this off my own bat because when I was looking for reviews for this keyboard, I couldn't really find any. Simple as that. The KG010 is a full-size keyboard, which I was specifically looking for because a 10 keyless unfortunately is not much use to me. I do software development and other media creation as well as gaming, although mostly gaming. The switches, there are Temu Brown switches, which are equivalent to the Cherry Browns, and they are, I would say, tactile and clicky, but not too loud. Whereas the previous keyboard I had blues and they were very loud. The build of the keyboard, the build is very good. So the top of the keyboard is metal and it's got plastic underneath. It's very rigid and feels like it would last a long time. Features wise, the keyboard's pretty basic. The media keys are accessed through a combination of the FN key and the F keys at the top, as are various other functions as well. RGB, it does have RGB and it looks lovely. That's all accessed again by combination of the FN key and specific keys on the keyboard. There's no software to run it. All you get from their website is a manual to take you through how to access the features from the keyboard itself, which, to be honest, I took a bit of getting used to. I've come from using sort of the Razer software and Logitech software to customize loads of bits on the keyboard, and then I've realized it's kind of a fire and forget. Once I've done it, I forget about it. So this has been fine for me. I haven't missed it at all. And it looks fine, looks lovely, does what I need to do. Using the keyboard has been an absolute joy. I've used it for gaming, I've used it for software development and everything. It's my day-to-day keyboard and it works so far flawlessly. Gaming-wise, I can no longer blame the keyboard for my problems. It's all me. Any poor gaming, it's down to me. Typing, it's not missed a key, there's been no sticky keys, there's been no ghosting, and it's just performed perfectly. The keyboard itself is responsive. The keys, without any fancy measuring stuff, they're responsive enough for me. When I click them, they seem to work. When I miss the keys, it registers the key that I missed wrong, when I'm fumbling. So, would I recommend the Eagletec KG010? Absolutely. For the £46 I paid, it has been an absolute bargain. It's responsive, it's tactile, and it's built well enough to feel like it's going to last a long time. Again, only time will tell. If this changes, I'll put another video up and link to that. So if you're looking for a solid, well-built, budget mechanical keyboard, you cannot go far wrong with the Eagletec KG010. I hope you've enjoyed this review, and I hope you found it helpful. A question, have you tried the KG010 yourself? Have you had a different experience to me? I know there's various versions, so I got the £46 one. There's other ones which are upwards to about £60. If you've tried them, post in the comments below and let me know what you think. If you like the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down, that's also fine. If you would like, please subscribe and you'll see more stuff coming from me. It'll be gaming stuff, reviews, some painting stuff probably because I do painting. I do all sorts of things. I'm trying to find the niche right now, so bear with me and we'll get there. Until next time, DadBod Gaming.